The Mad Snapper's confused in the kitchen again, y'all. We're gonna smoke some stuff and bake some stuff. Well, we're gonna put it all together and we're gonna boil some stuff. We're gonna do some macaroni and cheese country style. Double country style. Hillbilly style. There we go. Hillbilly macaroni and cheese. Here we go. Ready?
Alright, yeah, we got some old Motley Crue on the background going on from like 1983. It sounds freaking awful. Hopefully they won't copyright issue this. Anyway, we got some chicken stock about to boil because I'm going to boil my noodles in the chicken stock. That's a little pro tip bonus. It's not a pro because I'm not a professional, but that's what I do. I also do my potatoes like that too when I'm doing mashed potatoes, especially country mashed potatoes where I just cut the little red potatoes in quarters, throw them in there. I don't skin them or nothing. Sometimes I don't even wash them. I'm just saying. No, I'm just kidding. All right. Anyway, homemade macaroni and cheese baked in a cast iron skillet. That is right. Cast iron skillet, baby. Yep. And so I can't remember if I use one or the other, maybe both. Probably going to do the heavy cream. I'll put this up for later. Milk, eggs, butter, heavy cream. Usually do a little sour cream. I forgot to get some. I got some noodles I got to use, corkscrew instead of elbows, because whatever. I'm doing a pound. I don't remember how many I usually use because I never write this shit down. So I'm going to make a video. I'm being lazy today, y'all. I don't feel like shredding some cheese. We only need about 4 cups, but I've got more. I'm probably going to do 5 cups. Sharp, I like sharp. Triple cheddar, sharp. Yep. Eggs. Oh, I just spent an hour and a half smoking some bacon and pieces of ham on the smoker, on the gravity feed, the Masterbuilt. We're going to dice this up, mix it in, and or layer it. Probably put some on top too. That is right. Ooh, it's going to be so good. If y'all haven't done that, you really need to. Cook your bacon. Roll into rapid boil on your water and or broth, whatever you want to use. A little pinch of salt. A little dab of butter. Ow, that burns. Your noodles. Stir every once in a while. Keep it to a gentle boil, at least 7 minutes or so. Yep. Then pull it out and strain it. Don't forget to stir. Don't want nothing sticking together. About another minute, we'll pull these out. Go ahead and grab one out. Test it. These are bigger than the elbows, so it might take longer than normal. Get out of there. Ooh, look at that. I couldn't do that again if I tried. 8 minutes. Let's see how this works out. Don't burn me, don't burn me, don't burn me. Yay. And we fogged up the phone. Of course we did. And I'm going to shock it because it doesn't need to keep cooking. And it's going to cook more when we put it in the oven. Obviously, for the 35 to 45 minutes this should take. And when I go to mix it with my gravy meat hooks, these, I don't want to burn myself. So what do you get when you smoke your honey-cured slices of ham with your bacon? I don't know. It's probably something Canadian, though. Anyway, dice your bacon like you want to, and your ham. I know this one looks like it's got teeth marks in it. I can't imagine why. And if you've never cooked your bacon on a smoker, 250 degrees, check it every 30 minutes, flip it. I put it on one of those wire mesh things. Oh my goodness. Every time I do ribs or something else on the smoker, I also do bacon on top of it so it drips on the whatever I'm smoking. It's addicting. Anyway, that's done. I'm gonna mix it up in layers. Save a little bit for the top. Let's get this cheese out and the eggs and custard mix ready. Here we go. Okie dokie. If you're not adding some fatty meats like bacon, you're gonna want to use some butter. Probably about a half a stick. This is a tablespoon, basically a little quarter. I'm just mixing it in here while this is still warm. Keep everything nice and loose while I finish mixing the custard. You want to use more if you're not adding fatty to it. Probably at least a half a stick. Slice it up, mix it in with the layers of everything. I am going to preheat the oven after I grease up my pan. And I've got about a cup and a half of milk, a cup and a half of heavy cream, 3 eggs. Mix this up like I'm doing scrambled eggs. And add a little bit of cheese to it, mix it up. Then I'm gonna layer everything. Here we go. Add your ingredients, everybody. And season the taste. When I say season the taste, some people like some seasonings, some people like other seasonings. I like garlic, sea salt, pepper, SPG. So I've already got a blend. I just add a little bit. Big chunks of garlic in this one. And then I'll also dust the noodles when I put them in the thing over there. I know that's not going to do anything because it's not melted. Some people will melt it as one, but I just want to make sure it helps bond everything together to make it more of a cake-like. All right, let's check on that oven. Here's how everything's going down. Make sure this is all spread around along the edges. I got a little bit of the yellow left put on top just because I like the way everything looks. Looks good and crispily and buttery, burnt, crispy, whatever. Y'all know what I mean, right? Okay, should put more noodles, but I'll do that next time. I should have had elbows too, but I didn't. That's pretty much what I'm doing. Just a little bit here and a little bit there. And so on. Keep layering it like a lasagna. But it's macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna have noodles everywhere. Oh, let's add some seasoning. Actually, it was the perfect amount of noodles. I think I'm gonna stop with the ham and do just a little bit more bacon bits. So I'm gonna eat that one. Probably gonna eat some more. Oh, this is gonna be good. It can't not be good. Right? Damn it, I dropped you. I'm gonna eat you. Anyway, I'm waiting until my oven is to the proper temperature before I add the custard mix, which I will mix up one more time. So let me finish adding all this cheese and another layer dash of seasoning. All right, little oven timer says it's done. I just put another little dusty layer of that on. That's what she looks like beforehand. This is gonna be good snacks for me while I'm waiting. And this piece, can't forget it. Put that in there. And just lightly drizzle. Because it's going to work itself in and down and then back up as it cooks. Yeah, oh, it's going to be so good. Might be a little bit on the much side. Haven't tried this version, but we're about to now. I need both hands because that's going to be heavy. There it is. I need to get oven light. All right, I'm gonna check it in 30 minutes, but I got a feeling it's probably gonna take more like 45. Oops. Be back in a little bit. The anticipation. Clean while you wait, people. Clean while you wait. No sense in letting it all pile up to the end. Clean while you wait. Cooking for love provides food for the soul. So don't be up. Clean while you wait. 25 more minutes to go. All right. Looks like 20 seconds to go. Ooh. Yeah. I think we'll pull it. I'm gonna need both hands, so I'll be right back. Y'all should smell that. Ooh, cast iron goodness. Oh, I can't wait to let that cool down. I'm probably gonna let this thing sit for a good 20 minutes before I cut into it, because that's, yeah, 375 degrees, that's what that is. Ooh-wee, super creamy this time, and it tastes amazing. I'm gonna do a mixture between this one and the last one I did. With not quite as much liquid as I did this time versus last time, because I like it a little bit more cake consistency. But the taste with the extra little chunks of ham and bacon and stuff in it, oh my goodness, it is so good. It's the next day, everybody. My neighbors was having a cookout, and we ate all the other macaroni and cheese. So today I decided to do it again and augment the recipe a little bit. So we only did 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of the heavy cream, with 6 cups of that already shredded cheese, because I'm lazy, instead of 4 like last time. And we're about to pull it out of the oven. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more cake-like consistency this time. But everything's an experiment. Try it until you find one that you like. That's all I can say. Oh, I need a... Oh, yeah. And we did the bacon and stuff on that one, too. Here we go. Let me pull it out. Oof. So yummy. So again, I'm going to let this one rest for about 20 minutes so I don't burn everything I touch. Oh, it's going to be so good. It was even good. Even though the other one was a little bit more, I don't know, juicier or wet than I would like, it was still tasty. This one should be a little bit more cakey, because a little bit less liquid and more cheese, which is why it's more orangey. It's gonna be good. Oh, I can't wait. Anyway, let's let it rest, and I'll come back and cut a slice and see what happens. Yum, yum, yum. It smells so good. That's what I was looking for. That's the consistency I want. Oof. Beautiful. So, again, 375, 35 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven and your conditions. Pound of noodles, 4 to 6 cups of cheese, any seasoning and flavors that you want. Use a little bit of sour cream if you want, some butter, bacon fat, whatever. And cup of milk and a cup of heavy cream or condensed milk, sweet milk, something like that. And 3 eggs, mix it all up. And there you go. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go be a fat kid now.